to show you how to use Pic Collage to add and edit a template. The first thing you're going to do is open the app Pic Collage. Once in there, you are going to click the plus sign at the bottom to add a new collage, and you're going to choose the template that you want to do and use. Once you click on it, it should have a bluish turquoise outline, and you should see the number 1 up top with a check mark. You're going to click that, and because you want it to take up this whole page, you're going to click the check, and then you are ready to start editing this template. So for a drawing template, you're going to click the doodle at the bottom, choose the color in the palette below, and then this little slide will change the thickness of your line. So you can see there, that's how thick the line is right now. If you don't like it, click the reverse or undo arrow up top and change the thickness of the line. And you can do that again and again until you find the thickness that you like. Once you finish your drawing, you will click the check mark up top and save it to your library.